I love the colour. That's the first thing I noticed when I saw it. The one thing that I also love the most is this here, how the cord, you just pull it out, and when you want to pop it away, you press that button and it pops away straight away. And another thing that I noticed is here is that on this particular iron there is a caulk collector, and to just undo it, you open it, twist it round, and pull it out. I've been using it so all the water's coming out, but I think this is an absolutely brilliant feature because it really will save the iron from obviously getting damaged. And then you just twist it back and you just close that, and then it's done. Another thing that I really liked about this iron is this cord can be stored away. You just pop it in here and you feed it through, and it will go all the way around and be kept. But obviously when you start the iron up, make sure that is removed first, obviously, because it gets hot. Another great feature of this iron is that it's got this water filter thing that you just literally pull out like that and you fill it up. It's the penetrating steam high pressure boiler, and you can fill it right up, so it just looks like that. And then to slot it back in, all you do is you wait for the click when you do that. Another thing that I love about the iron is that it has a lock system here, so it's very safe and it can stay there. To unlock it, all you do is do that, and then you take your iron off. Yeah, and you can rest it like this as well, which is what I like to do. Yeah, so I'll move on to the buttons here now, if I just show you. So there is the water button and the anti-caulk button, so they will flash when they need changing, if you need more water or if you need to change the caulk thing. There's also an eco button as well to save on power. Here's the on and off button, and then you can actually choose what you're ironing, so synthetic, silk, wool, cotton or linen, and it goes from minimum here to maximum there. Yeah, the iron is absolutely brilliant. I've used it for the last 4 days and I'm really impressed with it. I couldn't actually fault it at all. Another thing that I really like is here is the steam button underneath. Sometimes when I do grab the iron, I do grab it like that and end up pressing that, which is a little annoying, but all I do is just make sure I grab it underneath instead, like that, as opposed to like that. So yeah, that's a really good feature. I'll show you in a minute. I'll iron a couple of an item and show you how it works. But here as well, something that I'm also really impressed with is this bit here. It's the Aqua Boost Vaporizer. So say for example you have a really creased pair of jeans or a really creased sheet, and it's not decreasing with the iron and the steam. You just put a bit of water on it with that button there, and then you iron it like that with the steam as well, and it really works well to get rid of the creases. So yeah, that's the Gliss Glide Protect Auto Clean. It auto cleans itself. Yeah, I read that as well on the manual. It cleans itself, which I think is brilliant. So yes, I'm gonna turn it on now and show you how it works, which I'm really excited to do because I really like this iron. It's brilliant. Okay, so I'm just going to turn it on. There you go, and as you can see it's flashing, and so is the actual iron. It's flashing, and it takes about 2 minutes to start up, and then it will stop flashing, and then you know it's ready to use. Over here you just pick what setting you want it on. I'm going to put it on linen, which is max. And then if you come over here, you can just rest the iron like that while it heats up, but I just tend to get nervous about stuff like that, so I just pop it there while it heats up. Okay, so you can hear the iron heating up. I'm going to just change the setting back to cotton because I've found something to iron. Okay, so it stopped flashing, so I'm just going to start using it. So as you can see, the trousers are quite creased. These are little pyjamas. Yeah, and you just iron, which does a really good job. But for more creased items, you can use the steamer. Just like that. And if it's extremely creased, you just squirt some water, just like that. And do that. Okay, so all in all, I'm really impressed with the Tefal Pro Express Total Expert Control Iron. It's quite a mouthful, that. But yeah, it's a really impressive iron, and it makes ironing really easy and really actually quite